How to write bio on a TikTok profile. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. If you want to write bio on a TikTok profile, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile. To do this, tap on this profile icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. And then you will see your profile. So on middle of your screen, right below your profile picture, you will see this icon, edit profile. So tap on it. And then you will see this page, edit profile. So here on middle of your screen, you can see this option, bio. So tap on it. So if you have write anything before, simply erase it or else write the new bio. So type whatever you want. And after typing, on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this option to save. So tap on it. And as soon as you tap on it, your bio will be successfully written on a TikTok profile. So this is how you can write bio on a TikTok profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.